What's the new coin? Have you heard about it? I think it's called Hypercoin. I heard it's gone to the moon.
Grab a bag of Hypercoin, better hodl that. We going to the moon, man, full throttle back. Like a VMA statue, the moon man is where we blast to. Eat those dips like it's snack food. This community is jacked, we guerrilla market. All these other rug coins, what we here to target. Ain't nothing but garbage, why we working hard it? Education for the masses, yeah, we here to start it. Fill the bag, yeah, we go retarded. Hypercoins going up, we just getting started. No devs, a renounced contract. Hyper-deflationary, so we always bounce back. We supported by the whales, where your bank account at? Go and buy some BNB, get Hypercoin and count stacks. Go and buy some BNB, get Hypercoin and count stacks. Get Hypercoin and count stacks. Count stacks. Hypercoin, yeah. Get Hypercoin and count stacks. Yeah. This coin is too legit, like our top bag holder. All these other scam coins about to have to move over. It don't really even matter if you caned or you sober. Read about the project, you be just another soldier. Why? Cause we mobbing with the best tokenomics. Plus the work we putting in, we blasting off like a comet. Funny that I mentioned that, it's where they found it. It was bombing, now we laid the foundation. No rugging and being honest. If you got the same in common, go ahead and join us. You can check the education, we giving out a few pointers. Follow us on the social, come and check out our voices, but don't slack. Let's get up on the rocket, where we going to the top. This is where the rug pulling finally stopped. We came to expose a scam, so if you like it or not, for all you shilling this shit, you getting flushed down the pot. I keep a stack held back so I can re-up when it drops. Hypercoin, yeah. Hypercoin, yeah. We rocking that Hypercoin, yeah. Hypercoin, yeah. We buy up that Hypercoin, yeah. That Hypercoin, yeah. We stacking that Hypercoin, yeah. Hypercoin, yeah. Come join us at Hypercoin, yeah. HC/BNB, check it out on the Poo Coin. Jumping the community, got your back soon as you join. Don't worry about a few dips, just eat it with a few chips. These sellers gon' regret it when they bouncing and we do boing. Where we headed to, the challenge 10,000x. That's the start, we gon' smash it and we sending out some checks. Building something solid while the rest is getting wrecked. Should've had a rug detector, the floor is already set. HC, let's go, it's time to ape these. We bout to go ham like mashed potatoes and gravy. Hyper-deflationary, so I accumulate these. That's passive income, thanks G. I guess I'll take these, can't call it. I'm feeling my trust wallet, feeling this trust building, get shilling, we just bought it. We really is just chilling and fixing the bus, all this in the way, getting clear. This coin's the rug doctor, cleaning up all the spots. We creeping up on the charts so you can listen and watch, or getting it from the start. We finna get to the top, we all doing our part. When we say it's HC, Hypercoin, that's from the heart, yeah. That's Hypercoin, yeah. We buying that Hypercoin, yeah. We building that Hypercoin, yeah. Come join us at Hypercoin, yeah.